Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about the OET grading system. Now, in order to achieve a remarkable score or a better score in any of the examinations, you need to know about the background details of that examination, especially the grading system. The Occupational English Test or the OET has its own grading system which should be well comprehended by the students. Now, in the case of OET, your language skills would be judged on the basis of 4 criterions: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Listening and reading would be common for all the professions, whereas writing and speaking is profession specific. And each and every test under OET is said to be as a sub-test. Therefore, the student should have an overall idea about the structure as well as the assessment criteria of the OET exam. And your level of performance would be assessed according to a grading scale ranging from grade A to grade E. Grade A is considered to be the highest, whereas the grade E considered to be the lowest grade. Grade A considered or grade A corresponds to the very high level of performance. Grade B corresponds to high level of performance where the person will be able to fluently and accurately use English in his or her professional scenario. And grade C corresponds to good level of performance, but it is not accepted by the medical and health councils. Grade D corresponds to moderate level of performance, which requires improvement. And finally, grade E or the lowest grade corresponds to very poor performance, which requires a lot of improvement. So in this way, you will be provided the grade. And the entire listening subtest and part A of the reading subtest would be assessed by a trained OET assessor and will be provided with the grade. And this assessor will be constantly monitored in order to neglect all kind of possible flaws. And part B of the reading subtest would be automatically graded by the computer, where your answers will be scanned into the computer. And talking about the writing and speaking sessions, the writing and the speaking subtest would be judged or assessed by 2 OET assessors. And your grade will be finalized if and only if the grade of these 2 people matches. And if it does not match, it will be passed on to a senior OET assessor who will provide you the final grade. So this is how you will be assessed in your OET exam, or this is the grading pattern of the Occupational English Test. Hope I made sense and the information was useful. Thank you.